Hello, friends, and welcome to The Architecture Enthusiast. Once upon a time, in a city by the sea, in a bustling harbor city where boats danced on the shimmering water, there stood a mystical box. This was no ordinary box. It was enormous, glowing softly in the sunlight, and whispered promises of magical secrets to anyone who passed by. The people of the city called it the Magic Box. Curiosity of the children. Every day, children would gather in front of the box, their imaginations running wild. "What's inside?" asked Emma, the bravest of the group. "Maybe it's full of treasure," guessed Leo, whose pockets were always full of shiny rocks. But no one knew for sure, for the box had a rule. To discover its treasures, you had to step inside. Stepping inside. One sunny morning, Emma and her friends decided it was time to explore. Together they climbed the gentle steps leading to the entrance. The roof stretched over them like the sky, casting a cool shadow as they walked up. The closer they got, the more they felt the magic. A soft hum filled the air and the walls seemed to glow with life. Inside the box. Inside, the children gasped. The box was not a box at all. It was a kingdom of wonders with wide open spaces and staircases that seemed to float. There were wooden benches like giant steps where people could sit, play, or even watch magical performances. The walls were lined with mysterious artifacts and sculptures that seemed to come alive under the sunlight streaming through the ceiling. "This isn't a box," whispered Leo. "It's a palace for dreams." The magical window. As they climbed to the top of the stairs, the children found a giant glass window that stretched across the entire wall. Through it, they could see the city, the sea, and the boats gliding gently across the water. "It's like looking at the world through a magic mirror," said Emma. The window wasn't just for looking, it was for imagining. The children pictured flying boats, enchanted forests, and even space adventures just beyond the glass. The treasure beneath. As they explored further, they discovered the most magical part of the box, the treasures hidden underneath. In the evenings, the box lit up from below, as if it were floating on air. People from all over the city would gather around to share stories, play music, and enjoy the magical glow. "This is the real treasure," said Emma, smiling at her friends. "A place where everyone can come together, a gift for everyone." The magic box wasn't just for kids. It was for everyone. Artists shared their creations, storytellers brought their tales to life, and families spent time together under its welcoming roof. It wasn't about what was inside the box, but what it helped people discover in themselves: creativity, joy, and wonder. The end of the day. As the sun set over the harbor, Emma and her friends sat on the wooden steps one last time, looking up at the glowing box. "Let's come back tomorrow," said Leo, his eyes sparkling with excitement. "Tomorrow," Emma agreed. And as they walked home, the city lights twinkled like stars, and the magic box stood quietly, waiting for the next adventure.